Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Pokémon Go. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone, so please don't forget